So this was an expansion cohort, a relatively large cohort of 132 head and neck cancer patients that were treated with pembrolizumab as a single agent. These are recurrent metastatic disease patients, so patients with poor prognosis. Many of these patients were heavily pre-treated. And remarkably, pembrolizumab was able to achieve a response in 1 in 4 patients, so 25% of patients showed a response. Putting that into perspective, our best targeted therapy right now is cetuximab, and the response rate there is only about half, 10 to 13%. So this is certainly exciting. While these are early data, it's a relatively large study, but the efficacy is remarkable. The other part that I think is important about efficacy is not only do 25% of patients benefit, about 56% of patients showed shrinkage of their lesions, and there is a substantial fraction of patients with stable disease, and those patients may also have benefit. And then the third point about efficacy is that it seems like once you have a response, these responses are oftentimes durable. 86% of patients who achieved a response continue to be treated and continue to be in response. And then the last part about the study is, overall, just like with other studies with PD-1 agents, pembrolizumab was very well tolerated. The side effect profile is very mild in comparison to what we usually treat patients with, in comparison to chemotherapy. There were few patients with severe side effects, but they're very few.